Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Riot Blockchain. Now, I sold a few puts, and they're in the money. So I need to try to roll these out to another expiration for a credit. That's the only way I'm going to do it. So let's see what we can do. Let's go with the 33 first. That's the easy one. Now, Bitcoin's been going up, so I'm very bullish on it. I think Bitcoin's going back to its previous highs of 65,000. And that's pretty good credit, $1.13. Let's see if we can get it. All right, that's pretty good. Filled right away. I didn't ask for enough. Okay, now this option is going to be a little harder to roll. It's deep in the money. $37 put. It's $12 off, $11 off. Where it should be. So I don't have much hope for it, but we're going to try the monthly. Let's get the best price. And 70 cents, I'll take it, but since the other one filled so quickly, I'm going 75. Okay, finally got filled at 65 cents. Not great, but not terrible considering we're so deep in the money. And my cost basis for this is a little higher, about $33 from selling and rolling the put. So I just reduced my cost basis another 65 cents. Well, I'll plug that into my spreadsheet and see how things go. Okay, so here's my current Riot position. They're all expiring on the monthly. I have 3 puts, so that's 300 shares potentially. I have 200 shares, and I'm down big. Woo! 45 to 25. So I need to either dollar cost average down or just keep reducing my cost basis. Awesome. All right, guys. Be sure you guys subscribe. And thanks for watching.